Hello, MJ here, Business Development and Dade Specialist with Dade County Federal. And on today's financial 2-minute drill, we share a couple ways one can save before and during a vacation. Do you want to save more and faster for a vacation, but are not sure how to consistently? It can be stressful saving for a vacation without a solid plan or end goal, so please feel free to use this plan for your next vacation. First, consider the costs and add them up. The two largest costs, depending on the trip plan, are normally transportation costs like airfare, train tickets, car rentals, and gas, along with stay, also known as lodging. And this can include hotels, hostels, or Airbnb. Other costs include food like groceries and dining out, along with the extracurricular and miscellaneous expenses like tours and attractions, along with security deposits and unexpected fees. Although that number you just added up may have 4 or even 5 digits depending on the size of the family and the destination, the preparation will only assist. If you do not like saving consistently, making all the important purchases early can be an alternative. Whether it's the travel rental or stay, one can normally expect significant price differences if the reservation is made well in advance. Another way to accelerate travel savings is by dedicating a specific account to this dream vacation and contributing to it consistently. Would you rather save $100 from 26 separate paychecks or $1,300 from 2 pay stubs? Most people do not like saving, but by automating a monthly transfer, one can expect the account to grow exponentially. With a credit card, on the other hand, one can rack up many points with all the large purchases, but before buying everything ahead of time, make sure to use the points you currently have and research travel insurance. All these items play an important role in a smooth but exciting adventure. So when considering the significant time and money that can be lost with lack of preparation, it may be worth being proactive by spending the extra couple of dollars, because most don't want to be budgeting during a vacation, as the purpose is to get away and enjoy the journey and stay. So, to learn more about our holiday and vacation accounts, our credit cards, and the importance of savings, visit us at any of our branch locations or online at DCFCU.org. That's it for this week's drill. We appreciate your time, and if you're planning on a vacation or recommend any destinations, please feel free to share in the comments and have a wonderful week.